Today I want to teach you that the best way to remember a book forever and ever is to tell someone else about it. After you read a great book, you can take it to a friend and say, "Can I tell you about this book?" If you've marked some important parts, it will help you retell what happened. You know, it's really not very different than when you return from an adventure. You usually tell someone about it, right? And each time you tell about it, you remember your adventure a little better. And if you're lucky enough to have collected photographs from the trip, you can take them out and look through them as you retell all the things that happened. When you read a storybook, it's like you and the character are on an adventure together. In a story, the character does things and goes places, and you go too. You can't take photographs of a reading adventure, but you can leave post-its to mark the important parts. Then, when you retell the story, you can flip through the book just like you flip through a photo album, and the post-its can remind you of what happened. On the day that Iris and Walter find out the class is going on a field trip to the aquarium, you can leave a post-it. And then, when Iris and Walter take a ride on the school bus, you can do what? Yes, leave a post-it. And when Iris realizes Walter is missing, you can leave a post-it. And that way, when you retell the story, you can start at the first post-it and think, what happened here? The post-its can help you move through the important parts of the story and remember how it went. Readers, did you see how I use the post-its to help me remember and retell the important parts of the story? Next, it will be your turn to try this in one of your books.